Here.
No, that'll make it.
I need at least a picture of this. Gosh darn it, I hate my
Oh,
phone.
honey, your wiener thing isn't going to
It's
work
right
for
there.
that.
Here, you gotta twist it so this way, right?
Okay, here.
Open
Jeff,
it.
Wait, no,
Open
you
it.
didn't do it?
Twist it, honey. No, don't
No, it's
jam
not.
it.
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
Twist
you
it.
gotta.
Okay,
You gotta
well,
hurt the wiener.
right there. This isn't going to work.
The prototype.
It's too big a dog. It's a jumbo dog. But here's the deal, friends.
Here's
What
what
if
you
we
do.
cut it in
Charlie's
half?
the brilliance behind it.
But
should
you
let
know,
Charlie do it.
we haven't talked about what makes
A curly dog better.
better.
How
What
do you
makes
deliver?
it better?
Okay, well,
I
there's
still
two
think-
answers.
Why bother?
The reason it makes it better is there's two reasons it makes it better. Number one, you're exposing more internal meat area. You're getting more surface area to cook. When you cook a hot dog, you just basically cook the outside, right? But when you make a curly dog, you're cooking not only the outside, but you're cooking the inside as well. And okay, so that's a
Number
more
one.
tasty goodness, we call that, Tanya.
All right,
More
all right.
tasty
Crispy.
goodness.
Crispy.
More crispy, tasty
Tasty.
goodness. Okay.
You're increasing the
should do
surface
this
area
at the ballpark.
exponentially for
Yeah.
more
Stompers.
There we
tasty
go,
goodness.
stompers.
Stompers!
Okay.
Let's set up a grill and do stompers. We'll all help.
But you gotta have everything protected before you do that, guys.
Well, you
Yeah,
got
I
to
know.
have everybody come in and do
Okay.
your chicken.